Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to make this noise. Those birds are so annoying. And that's what we're doing, bird noises today. I will show you how to make the gun one too. Okay, so first how you make the bird noise is if you know how to whistle, go like this. Whistle normally. Go like you wanna go and whistle at the same time. And you make that. And that is go. That's how you do the bird. And how you do the gun is saying SH. Okay, and how you make the is you go like BP. And just make that longer, like. And I may show you how to do this. You whistle and go woo. So that's how you do it. Bye.